Hello, welcome back to the channel. um, I tried to leave the town for cleetus and car in Houston this weekend, so I try to hit the road tomorrow, but today me and Brent try to throw a different tune-up on Phoenix. So before we put her on the dyno, I want to change the oil and double check all those valve clearance. Yep, let's get to it though. Yeah, the old oil look very clean. Yeah, it's a good time to clean the filter too, you know. Maybe they get dirty. So they don't have many run on the dyno, but better is just clean them. Yeah, I bring the intake cam back to the 0 degree, and then set like 2 degree retard on the exhaust side. Yeah, kind of play with it a little bit. Let's see what happens.
This thing's beautiful, man.
Thanks.
A lot of hours in this thing, huh? 1 or 2?
7 weeks put together, 7 months wife apart.
So we're gonna have it on 50-50?
50-50.
You can make more power with yeah, I can only start longer and stuff, but you still use about the same amount of fuel because it's still the power that moves the fuel.
Damn, I've seen this thing in person.
Bird.
Yeah.
Oh!
You know what's about 7 in this thing?
Yeah, I mean,
It's insane.
one day. That'd be awesome.
You want to throw a battery in the sun?
Yeah, you want to turn to a 9 here. just take that brake wheel and go.
Here we go.
We're on the right track. Coming into it, I need to see where stuff's at. But obviously, I mean, right there, just rip the tires off.
Oh yeah, that's what all this front was. That was just tire, hook, and then go.
Yeah.
She's a rowdy girl, isn't she? And I'm still not as lean as the other guys have had it, and then I'm gonna give it a touch of dwell and see if the ignition will burn more completely.
Yeah.
But it never felt like it was gonna drop off there. It just felt like I just kept going, you know. So it rolled off, but I didn't feel like it was. So I'm gonna see what that is, and then I just quit because I just felt like it was time.
Well, you got oil. It's still there.
And moisture.
Condensation.
Yeah.
So, in honor of the Phoenix rising up, I got you these. Here, I'll open them for you.
What is it?
You'll have to wear them when you drive down.
Ooh, fancy.
Got you some new Oakleys.
Oh,
Red with the fire lenses.
thanks, Steve.
We'll have to try them on there and see how
Oh,
they
man. Heck yeah. Woo. What's my name? Thanks, Steve. Thanks, guys. Cool.
Keep your case.
Try this out.
Tires and spun. So this is actually our good curve right now. It looked like it still hit the tire for a second at the beginning.
It makes a lot more quick.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Heck yeah.
So I was just saying, it
Yeah.
really paid off doing the research and trying to find out where we needed to be. 'Cause I'm still on a rich side compared to where other guys were, but I feel like we're in a safe area, so I'm just gonna keep trying to
Yeah.
optimize this. The fuel's flat now, so
Yeah, it looked
digging that.
it looked beautiful.
It's getting there. Woo, it's cold.
Yeah. So okay, hold on. So here's our question holder. So okay, we were going off of crank degree.
391.
391. Okay.
Yep.
So that top, probably gotta change that up just a little bit. Change it there.
Yeah, it sounded better though.
Well, it doesn't have that hump on there. No smooth, it doesn't have that hump.
Yeah. Yeah, we tried to put her on the dyno again because Brand have the different idea. You know, he's still learning, but come out is with the new method of his tuning. We make like 400 today instead of 381 by last time, so that's what different. Yeah, we use the same fuel, 50% mix, and make 400, and they're gonna keep that number. We'll run down Houston by a cleetus car this Saturday. See how she go. Oh. Yeah, do a little tune up for the car, and we'll be ready. Gonna hit the road tomorrow for cleetus car Houston. And yeah, it's been a fun day. You know, car run great. And 400, I love it. Yep. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.